Just got out of makeup. This is as good as it gets. I'm sorry. So, but anyway, this video is about our industry. It's for those who are brand new to this very long rabbit hole, understanding what concrete printing is, what are the advantages, is it really 30% cheaper? Because you know what, 90% of people out there, it's not cheaper at all. And so this is to introduce you to MudBots and help you understand why we're different, why our technology is different. I come from a family of construction, so bullied by my father, get the lead out of your ass, move faster. I got 7 people that can replace you. That's how I grew up. I understand construction. Time is money. And at the end of the day, if this isn't faster and cheaper, it's nothing but a novelty. And so I insisted on building a machine and wouldn't even have thought to get into this unless I was building something that was faster and cheaper. At the end of the day, what we're trying to do is give you an unfair advantage over competition. You know, there's 15, 20 people that can build the same product you're building right now. If you had a 3% advantage, that would be monumental. We're talking about a 30% advantage. But it's only possible if it's faster, cheaper, if you are recognizing and can read between the lines of all the bullshit that's out there, all the stuff that people are saying, all the stuff they're showing you. And your very first clue is go look at every single video you've ever seen on YouTube about concrete printing. And all you're gonna see is about 4 or 5 passes, okay, mostly 6. Call it a day, let's go home. Let's come back another day. 12 inches would be monumental for most of these guys. But you can look at, anybody knows anything about concrete, you can look at the passes and you can see, oh, there's a stop, oh, there's a stop, because concrete changes colors as it cures. It's not as hard, but people start down this rabbit hole, they get super excited and like, holy shit, you know, a robot that prints homes, that's gonna be amazing, or whatever else. They drink the Kool-Aid, and they don't back up and say, wait a minute, we should probably know what questions to ask and stuff like that. So anyway, most people think this is choosing between Ford, Chevy, and Dodge. Okay, not even close. This is like choosing between a skateboard and a Ferrari. But if you don't know what to ask, you're going to be like so many others out there that bought a printer, didn't get the training, and you're printing with your fingers crossed every damn day, and that's not what we teach. This is like pilot training. It's like buying an airplane. Okay, if you got the money to buy it, buy the damn thing. Airplanes are great. Okay, I'm a pilot. I know what the training was like, and so if you can buy the plane, buy it, but that doesn't mean you can fly it. The training is essential. Okay, I don't care whose printer you buy. Without the right kind of training, what do you got? And this is gonna be a little bit of a long video. I apologize. It's great content. If you've been watching a lot of our other videos, I realize you're already sick and tired of my voice. You're sick and tired of seeing me. I'm passionate. I'm excited. I'm irreverent. So I apologize. It's still good content, and you still got to know this stuff. So if the printer is not faster, cheaper, and better, why are you wasting $500,000 to $1 million? I'm just going to go, I mean, literally, when you register on our website, we're sending you 150 questions that you should know to ask. I've already answered all of them. Okay, take those questions, go talk to all the other girls out there, and decide who you want to take to prom. Decide, I mean, it's a dating process. We're a hard girl to start dating, but it's gonna be worth it, okay? So take those questions, go out and vet all of our competition. I got buyers that are like, holy hell, you're about the stupidest businessman I ever met. I got $500,000 and you're telling me to go speak to your competition? Are you stupid? It's burning a hole in my pocket. I want to buy a printer. We're like, slow down, okay? And we do the same thing. Sending you to my competition is our #1 sales tool.